This is Venda, the land of the legend. For the next 3 weeks, young boys from the villages will flock into the village of Amairura, where they are going to be circumcised. The tradition of circumcision schools has always been part of the Vavenda people for many, many years. There is a reason why people decide to travel at night, so that they can evade all the evil wishes. It will all start here at the chief's place. There may only be a few people right now, but in a few weeks' time, it will grow into a magnitude of note. Many, many boys will join the school and be turned from boys to men. Every school has got its own tools and stationery. The stationery here is sacred and held in high regards. These boys will soon become men, and they'll all look happy, anxious, and scared. They've got no clue what's coming their way. Now is the time. There are key role players in every circumcision school. We've got the chief, who is the owner of the land. Then there is the principal, who looks after all the runnings of the school. Then there's the supervisor. He is the eyes and the ears of the chief. Then there's the man without whom there would be no school, the surgeon. Now the school is opened, the boys are in the mountain, and the mentors are doing their rounds in the village. They will spend more days looking for food, water, all other necessities. The tradition of initiation schools originates from our ancestors. We are the grandchildren of the Madzunyas. My old man learned from the Madzunyas. My old man taught me the tradition before he passed on. I started in 1991. Here in the mountains, as men by ourselves, we can enjoy ourselves without gossips. No women are allowed here. Here the boys will be taught to differentiate good from bad. Even the divorce rate is more prevalent in the families of those who have come to the mountain. As Dr. Makadi, I think that those people who are killing kids in circumcision schools are interfering in other people's tradition. It is just not their thing. Whenever they do the job in the schools, nothing goes their way. Their ancestors are not with them. In the circumcision schools, boys will learn the skills of bravery, bee hunting. This bee hunter has left the school for a short while to go hunt the bees and bring home some honey for the boys. As he goes about his business, he uses the smoke to smoke them out, and one by one he brings out the honey as if he was unloading a truck full of wooden pallets.
Nabona arali basathu subscribe khawa nambe ba subscribe zwino ndivadzeyo vhuṱhogwa khe khombelo ri vha nthetshelese dzi vhatikedzi vhanzhi ndi kale vha tshi khou ri vhudzisa uri ni sapota nga nḓilaḓe ngauri dzifilimu ri vhona mahala kha YouTube. Zwino ri khombela vhoṱhe vhane vha nga kona u ri tikedza vha ri sapote nga u joina channel ya Tsho TV sa dzimembara. Membership ndi R599 fhedzi nga ṅwedzi. U joina zwi zwa dina vha tou puṱedza bhathene ya join vha isa phanḓa. Vha tshi tou joina fhedzi vha mbo ḓi wana betsho yo sumbedza uri vhone vha mutikedzi washu. Betsho yanekei sa membara video dzo no bva nga Ḽavhuṱanu vhone vha ḓo thoma dzi vhona nga Ḽavhuṋa ngauri vha mutikedzi washu. Tshipikwa tshihulwane ndi u ri thusa uri ri kone u isa phanḓa no ita dzifilimu dzine vhone vha dzi funa. Musidzana wa haya ha vhipfi vhathu welee kha vha ri sapote ndi khou tou humbela.